Inspired Brotherhood Garage, and on this week's Cayenne Brotherhood video, I gotta replace something. It's bad. It's heartbreaking. It's, how do I say this? Come look and see what's broken in the Cayenne this week. Well, gentlemen, this is the problem here. The sunglass holder is not, it's broken. The button is broken, and you know, you can't put your sunglasses up here, and you know, like, that looks trashy driving around in a Cayenne, and you know, no, gotta fix it. Must fix this problem. More stuff. All right, so here's the fix. This is the part number. This is good for all the 955s. I do believe up until 10, but I could be wrong. But it comes with two pieces. You get the black piece that you need, and then it comes with the metal clip here, which you probably don't need. I mean, I know I don't need, because you can see there's the metal clip. Not needed. So let's go ahead and let's get this out, and I'll show you what we're gonna do. This is that part that's broken, and I couldn't tell you where mine went because it fell, and I looked for it. It's probably between the seats, and when I go to do a battery, I'll probably find it there. But this little piece here is $28 from the Porsche dealer, and you can buy it online at Pelican and in other places like FCP Auto, I believe it has it, and a few other places, and Auto Haas, AZ, those guys are local, you know. But just go to the dealer. It's $30. You're gonna pay taxes, no shipping. You'll cruise in, they have it in stock, and grab it, and then we'll install it. So let's shut up and let's get to fixing this Cayenne. See, like that. So kind of come in here like this, come in behind it, get in there, and then it'll pop into place. Like that. There we go, just like that. So flat side this way, in, down, got it. Working now. Woot woot. All right, that was an easy fix. Now we can just take our sunglasses, put them back up in there, put the string, get in there, string, get in there. And what did I just tell you? You don't listen, do you? And then up. Ha! Fixed. $30, but it's fixed. Sweet. All right, well, on to another project, I guess. Well, pretty simple project. Remember, that flat tab goes up, in, kind of like that, and then push it up, and it'll work for you. Hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. If you're a Porsche Cayenne owner, make sure to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Make a comment down below if you have any questions on how I did this. And remember, go to the dealer, buy it from the dealer, save yourself the 12 bucks in shipping that the online vendors will give you. And it's the same price at the dealer as it is online. So you're not saving anything, but you're saving on the shipping. And that's 12 bucks for that little piece. Seriously, if you got a dealer near you, run by and pick it up. I'm gonna say have a great weekend, and I will see you next week with another Porsche Cayenne Brotherhood video.